Whenever we used our phone, that time we can see lots of ads are coming in our phone. We couldn't use any application because of ads. We couldn't browse anything because of ads. We couldn't see any video because of ads. So that's really irritating. So if you really want to learn how to stop these kinds of ads from your phone without any kinds of third-party application, that time you can see this video carefully. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you 3 easiest way for you. So if you follow my video, that time, from next time, no ads will come in your phone. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So the first process will be whenever we try to search anything in our browser, that time we can see lots of ads are coming. So how can we actually stop that ads? So for doing that, you need to go to your Google Chrome browser, then click here 3-dot line, then click here settings, then scroll down, then click here site settings, then again scroll down, and you need to find out this one, which is pop-ups and redirects. So just click on it, then turn it off, and you can see block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects. It's already turned off. So now get back from here, then click here intrusive ads. It's actually allowed, so you need to turn these settings off. You can see in there any site that you visit can show any ad to you, so you need to turn it off. And after that, just get back from here and then click here protected content, just click here blocked. And from next time, whenever you try to visit from browser, that time you will see no ads. So this is the first process. So let me show you the second process. And the second process will be, you will need to go to your phone settings. So let me go mine, and after that you need to find out this section which is privacy. So let me click this one and scroll down, then find out this ads management, and if you don't find it from there, just get back from here and just search here ads, just write on it ads, and you can see there is ad service available. Okay, so let me click the first one, then click here ads, and after that there is your advertisement ID. Okay, you can see app can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ad if you delete it. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click here delete advertising ad, and you need to click here delete advertising ID, and from next time Google or no application can track what you search, and they can't show you any more ads based on your search result. So this is the second one. And let me show you the third process, which is also you need to go to your phone settings, and after that you need to go to mobile networks. Sorry, you need to search here DNS. Okay, let me search here DNS, and you can see in there private DNS, then click here private DNS provider host name, then select here custom name, and you need to write here some address which is dns.adguard.com, and after that just select here save option, and just get back from here and again go to the private DNS, then make sure this private DNS provider hostname is just got blue tick. Okay, that's mean it's turned on. So if you do this 3 settings in your phone, that time no ads will come in your phone from next time. So that's it guys. So by these 3 kinds of easiest process, you can stop ads from your phone for forever. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.